Hi everyone, it's Steph here from Chaos in the Craft Room, and today I wanted to show you how I add a bit of extra interest and texture onto my paper using things you already have in and around the house. And the first one is one that you're probably already familiar with, and that's the bubble wrap technique. However, when I do this, I like adding a bit of water with the acrylic paint to thin it down a bit, which spreads it a lot easier when I spread it with my brayer onto the bubble wrap. And then there's two ways that you can apply this onto the paper. You can either push the paper down onto the bubble wrap, or you can pick up the bubble wrap and push it down onto the paper, and that way you can actually see where you're putting it, but it just depends what way you prefer. And you can do it with either black acrylic paint or colored acrylic paint, and then you can cut shapes out of it. So it's a really easy way to add a bit of extra fun to any die cuts that you are using. The background papers that I am using are from my jelly print. And then the second option is I have this plastic packaging that I got some fruit in, and so I just cleaned it, and look at the cool pattern that's underneath it. And I just love how it's not a perfect line, that's that little bit rustic, which for Easter eggs make it really look really fun, like you've just painted the Easter eggs, but I think this is a really nice mixed media look as well. So then I've just cut them down. Now I've just fussy cut them. I don't actually have an Easter egg die. It's quite easy to cut out, and then I just trace them so that they're all the same. Cut them all out, and these are the final cards that I created using these. I just went around each of the Easter eggs with some black ink as well to make it more of a defined border. And these made really easy and fun Easter cards. So I hope everyone's having a happy Easter, and hope you have some extra time to craft over the Easter break.